Let me show you how to navigate the screen of the MemoryCraft 1000. Your machine will open to our utility stitches, and across the top we'll have some icons, one to lower your feed dogs and raise them. It'll show what category you're in and how many pages are there, and then the stitches will be down below here. So we have our straight stitch chosen right now. Below here is the information on that stitch. It gives the presser foot pressure, the tension that they would like it to set at. Then we have our needle position or stitch width, and then our stitch length. These two, you would use the plus and minus here. So if I wanted to move my needle position from the center over to the right, I could tap on the plus. The minus would move it back. On the stitch length, the plus would make a longer length, and you can see it changing on the screen of my machine. There's also a recommended foot here as well. We can page through our utility stitches to see what else is there. These are your overedge stitches, and it will show a recommended stitch, and of course down here again, presser foot pressure and recommended tension, and you do have the option of changing your stitch width of that and the length. On the last page of utility, there are 2 stitches left, and we're going to go another page into our buttonhole choices. Again, it'll show the buttonhole foot and the recommended pressure and tension. You can change some items on that buttonhole. And then on the last page, there's a few more things with buttonholes, even a little eyelet.